Hello, sweet team. Welcome back to Mekeyroyal's kitchen. Today, I bring your way breakfast recipe. It is simple but delicious. I call it egg plantain pizza. That's how I call it.
Kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling.
This is my ingredient.
Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow from home.
In my saucepan, I'll add oil and I'll add grounded ginger, garlic, and diced onion. I'll give it a stir. I'll give it a stir. I'll keep on stirring for 1 minute.
Make your royal kitchen taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
After 1 minute, I will add my chopped tomatoes and stir it, and I will leave it for 1 minute and stir again.
Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe.
After 1 minute, I will add my chopped green pepper. Stir it and add half Maggi cube to it. I will add salt, chili pepper powder, and curry powder. I will cover it with a lid and leave it for 2 minutes. But I will stir it every 1 minute to prevent it from burning. After 2 minutes, I will take it off the stove and transfer it into a plate, and I will set it aside for it to cool down.
Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
My ripe plantain is already washed. I'll cut it into round pieces, just as I am doing it in the video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome to this family, and I want to welcome all my subscribers and my return viewers. God bless you guys so much for supporting me. If you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel because it helps me a lot. So please subscribe. Don't just come and watch and go. Subscribe to this channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a video. I have told you already that this Christmas I am bringing your way recipes to elevate your cooking at home. So Stay tuned and be expectant to receive it.
New, cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling flavors so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along.
My plantain is all cut. I will transfer it into the bowl. I will add salt and a little water. Then I will mix it together. I'm adding the water because of the salt. I want the salt to dissolve.
Make it right, serving up flavors day and night.
I have my saucepan on the stove. I will add oil and allow the oil to heat for 1 minute. Then I'll add my plantain.
Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling flavors so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
I will turn the other side for it to fry too. Then I will remove it from the oil. You can see the color has changed to golden brown. So it is ready. I will repeat the process till
Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a
I am
blessing
done.
from the
I have
heavens
5
above.
eggs. I will be breaking it into this bowl, one after the other. Be careful when you are breaking your eggs because some may spoil. After breaking the eggs, I will whip the eggs. I will dissolve little salt with a little water and I will add it to the eggs and
Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a five-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
Mix. Then I will add my prepared sauce to it and mix it gently. If you have watched the video till this time and you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to this channel, because your subscription is helping my channel grow, and give me a thumb. Please, thank you for supporting me.
Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your...
On a stove, I have my saucepan and I will add oil. I will transfer my egg mix into there. Then I will spread my fried plantain on the egg and cover it for it to fry for 2 minutes.
Cooking with passion, just for you. Sizzling, bubbling, flavors so bold. Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a 5-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you. So grab a plate, let's celebrate. Good food, good vibes, yeah, it's never too late. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, let's make it right. Serving up flavors day and night.
On low heat. You don't want to burn it. I will use the lid on the saucepan to turn the other side for it to fry. I was not able to show it because it was only me who was filming it and cooking too. So you can imagine it is all done. Let's take it off the heat and serve it.
Fire up the stove, let's get to cooking. Flavors on point, yeah, we ain't just looking. From spice to sweet, every dish is a vibe. Welcome to the kitchen, come on, take a ride. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal's kitchen, taste the love.
I will use my knife to cut it. This smells so good and tastes so delicious. I cannot stop even eating it. Please, someone come and hold my hands before I ate it all. You have to try this at home, especially this Christmas, for your kids and the whole family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
Grandma's secrets and stories untold. Bringing the heat, yeah, watch me flow. From home-cooked meals to a 5-star show. Mix it up, chop it down, sizzle in the pan. Every meal's a masterpiece made by hand. From my heart to your plate, let's make it divine. Hit that like, hit subscribe, let's cook it up right. Mekeyroyal kitchen, taste the love. Every bite's a blessing from the heavens above. Come along, let's create, let's make something new. Cooking with passion, just for you.